Hi and hello, and welcome back to you all to my YouTube channels, and hope all of you are fine at your homes. Uh, Friends, today I have brought another level of the video, and that is eating video. And now I having the eating things, and this eating thing is called pasta. So today is the first time that I would like to eat this pasta. Uh, what will be the taste of this pasta? I don't know, but after tasting it, I will tell you exactly the taste of this pasta. So let's check it. Okay. It is a very nice taste. If one times you get this edible things, you don't forget to have it. Because when I get this today, I would like to eat more once again and again. So friends, this is the video of today. uh, I will show you another level of the videos uh, on the other days. So till then, keep on watching my YouTube channels. Bye.